Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Rudolph. So first let's get started in the center of our page, and we're going to start by drawing a nice big circle for our nose. Moving underneath now for the mouth, we're going to draw an arch line from left to right. For the rest of the nose now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches around and then down on the left-hand side. And then we'll replicate the same thing over on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's connect this now with a curved line from left to right. For our eyes now, on the right-hand side, we're going to draw an oval shape, arching this up towards the top, curving this all the way back around and then in towards the side of the mouth there. And then on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Moving further in, let's draw in another oval shape, curving this around and then down. And we'll do the same thing as we flip over towards the left-hand side. Moving into the corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. Starting on the right hand side now, just in the middle of the eye here, we're going to curve a line that comes around and then in, blending that in towards the bottom for the side of the face. And then moving over towards the left hand side, lining that up at the same height, we'll replicate that. Moving in towards the middle now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches around and then down. And then flipping over towards the right, we'll replicate that, curving that around and then in, just making that slightly smaller. On either side now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. On our top line now, let's arch this line up and then over towards the right hand side for our right ear. And then we'll move over towards the left hand side and replicate that as well. Starting in the corner now, let's curve this line back around and then in towards that corner. And we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Starting in the middle, we're going to draw a small arch line from top to bottom, and then flipping over towards the left, we'll replicate that. On our top line now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting back on that corner, we're going to curve this back around and then blending that in towards the bottom. On the right hand side now, we're going to draw a line that comes up, across, and then back down. And now flipping over towards the left hand side, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the body now. So moving over towards the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out for our leg. And then flipping over towards the right hand side, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. Moving over towards the inside now, we're going to draw a curved line that arches around and then out. And we'll do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. On our outside line now, we're going to curve this line out and then down, ending that at the same height. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now from here on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle on both sides. Moving over towards that point now, we're going to curve a small line that arches in on either side. And now let's close this off with an arch line from left to right. Closing off the bottom now, we're going to curve this line up and then over towards the right. Close off the hoofs now, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right on both sides, lining that up at the same height. In the middle, we're going to draw an arch line that curves up towards the top in the center. For the collar, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right. And then moving underneath that, we're going to draw in a half circle. Coming over towards the outer portion now, we're going to curve this line up and then back in for our right foot. And we'll do the same thing, lining this up at the same height on the left-hand side. Moving over again, we're going to curve this line up, around, and then back in. And we'll do this on the left-hand side as well. Starting on the top portion here now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And again, we'll replicate that on the left-hand side. And then moving up towards the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line up and then in. And again, we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. And that is it. That's how you draw Rudolph. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.